This video shows how to correctly perform maintenance on the MiniTEM sample holder. Before every sample insertion, check for foreign objects on the sample holder, for example, fibers or hairs. It helps to use a magnifying glass or a light microscope. Even tiny amounts of foreign material can be enough to compromise the column vacuum. If dirt is present, clean all of the silver parts of the sample holder with a dry, lint-free cloth, including especially gently cleaning the O-ring. This is easily done by rotating the sample holder while it is sitting in the loading station. If it is not possible to remove the dirt with the above method, a small amount of isopropyl alcohol can be used as a solvent. Do not use too much. Do not apply it to the O-ring. Once a week, check the condition of the O-ring to see if it needs cleaning and greasing or replacement. If airlock pumping times become longer, even though the sample holder is clean and the O-ring is undamaged, it is time to apply grease to the O-ring. The O-ring can be kept from drying with a minimal layer of lubricant. Using a lint and powder-free glove, apply tiny amounts of the provided grease to the sample holder. Spread the grease evenly and very thin to complete transparency. Do not use excessive amounts of grease. Using too much lubricant increases the risk of attracting unnecessary dirt, which may then enter the column. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the entire area between the two arrows. All other areas should be kept clean and grease-free. If greasing did not help, or if the O-ring shows signs of wear and tear, a replacement might be needed. If you are out of O-rings, contact Vironova support. To remove the old O-ring from the sample holder, do not use any metallic tools such as scissors, knives, or screwdrivers. Use only plastic or wooden tools, such as a toothpick. Use the non-metal tools to raise the O-ring from the O-ring groove and then maneuver it off the sample holder, being careful not to damage the grid holder or tip. Clean the new O-ring and the O-ring groove with a lint-free cloth before installation. Pushing the pin on the end makes it easier to slip the O-ring onto the holder. When putting a new O-ring on the sample holder, be careful not to damage the tip or the grid holder. Apply grease to the O-ring once it is on the sample holder. After O-ring greasing, it is a good idea to perform 2 to 3 sample exchanges without a grid to distribute the lubricant and ensure proper vacuum seal. This completes the MiniTEM sample holder maintenance.